Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a document scanner works in an easy step-by-step way. A document scanner is a device that converts paper documents into digital files. It helps people and businesses save records electronically, organize paperwork more easily, and share documents quickly. In simple words, it takes information from paper and turns it into a digital image or file that can be stored on a computer or sent online. First, the user places the document on the scanner glass or into the automatic document feeder. This is the starting point of the scanning process because the machine needs the paper positioned properly before it can capture the contents. Depending on the type of scanner, it may scan one page at a time or several pages automatically. Next, the user chooses the scan settings. These settings may include color or black and white mode, resolution, page size, and file format such as PDF, JPG, or PNG. This step is important because the selected settings affect the quality, size, and final use of the scanned file. After that, the scanner begins the scanning process by shining light across the page. The scanning lamp moves over the document, or in some scanner types the paper moves past the scanning area. As the light hits the paper, the text and images on the page are reflected back toward the scanner sensor. Then, the sensor reads the reflected light. Usually, CCD or CIS sensors are used for this job. These sensors convert the reflected light into digital image data, which means the scanner changes what it sees on the paper into electronic information that a computer can understand. Once the image data is captured, the scanner processes it. The scanner software may adjust brightness, contrast, alignment, and basic cleanup to improve the final result. In this way, the digital copy becomes clearer and easier to read than a raw image capture. Next, a digital file is created. The scan page is saved as a file such as PDF, JPG, PNG, or another digital format. This gives the user a digital version of the original paper document that can be stored, copied, or managed electronically. After that, the scanned image is reviewed. The user checks the result on the screen to make sure the text is readable, the page is aligned correctly, and no important part is missing. If needed, the page can be rescanned for a better result. Then, the document is stored or shared. The file can be saved on a computer, uploaded to cloud storage, attached to an email, or archived in a digital record system. As a result, the document becomes much easier to access and distribute than a physical paper copy. Inside the document scanner, several important parts work together. These include the scanner glass, automatic document feeder, scanning lamp, CCD or CIS sensor, rollers and feed path, image processor, USB or network connection, and scanner software. Together, these components help the scanner capture, process, and deliver digital document files efficiently. Therefore, a document scanner is useful because it supports fast digitization, better organization, easy sharing, and less paper clutter. It helps create a cleaner and more efficient workflow by turning physical documents into searchable and manageable digital files. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.